Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Z Food Review. Today we were playing some Fortnite Battle Royale, and I'm about to go off on these guys. So I'm just going straight into Salty Springs, you know. I'm a god of this game. They can't stop me. I'm a god, so I'm just going in, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I'm right here in Salty Springs. I literally don't see anyone else. There's no one. Oh yeah, there's some other people. I'm going to. Well, you know what? I'm just going right here. There's a chest right here. I see that. I don't think I want. Hopefully, it's a sniper, and I'm snipe all the kids in Salty Springs. I'm a quick scope god out here. Burst rifle. Ooh, I'll take that trap though. Okay, guys. Going low ammo bunk. Gotta search that. Get some ammo. Heavy bullets. Gotta be on the lookout over here. Oh, I got some grenades too, guys. So all around, I think. Oh, I'm going in this house. I see that. I see that. I see some stuff in there. I want that stuff. Going in. Okay, so nothing up top. Let's drop down here. My controller batteries are low, but do I care? No, because I'm gonna win even with low controller batteries. Shotgun. Another trap. You know what? Let's see if I can lure the guy in here. The trap. Place that right there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up this green submachine gun. I'm gonna drop it right here. I'm going to open this door. I'm gonna drop it further back. Right there. See if I can lure a guy in with that. Pick up some more grenades here. I think I got a good setup real quick. Take this up. Go out the back door. Now hopefully that'll lure someone in. That trap I set up right there. I'm a god out here. Is that a guy over there? No, I'm just gonna go in here and show these trash kids what I'm made of. Oh, well, that was a good game, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to our channel for some great Fortnite content like this video. I gave it my all out there, and I think I set a world record for kills, so if you'd like to see more content like this, make sure you guys subscribe. And we'll see you guys later. Well, yeah, okay, subscribe. Oh, our donation links will be in the description if you want to donate to us. So yeah, thanks guys. Make sure you guys donate, and we'll see you in the next video.